Isang taon ng walang humpay na blessing sa kanyang career ang nagdaan sa young heartthrob at Viva Prince na si James Reid. Kaya naman piniling i-celebrate ng bida ng Para sa Hopeless Romantic ang kanyang recent birthday sa isang orphanage kung saan siya nag-share ng kanyang mga blessings.
Thank you, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Hope we will have some fun today.
Hi guys, right now I'm at Nayon ng Kabataan at Mandaluyong and I'm here for my very first solo charity event.
Bukod sa masasarap na mga pagkain at masasayang palaro, namigay rin si James ng mga munting regalo sa mga bata.
Yeah, this year I've received so many blessings and everything's gone so well for me, so I thought, people ask me what I want for my birthday and I say, I really don't want anything, so it means I already have everything I really want, so it's an opportunity to give back.
Naghandog rin syempre ang box office prince sa mga awitin para lalo pang sumaya ang mga bagets. May sorpresa namang bisita ang dumating na lubos na ikinagulat at ikinatuwa ni James at ng lahat ng guests sa party.
Have a great one, have a great birthday, and I wish you all the happiness in life. Tapos, I'm really thankful na dito sa adventure na to, dito sa career ko na to, na ikaw yung kasama ko, na parang tayo yung partners in crime. Super happy and thankful to have you.
I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched Para sa Hopeless Romantic. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the movie.
You really have gone a long way. Happy birthday, James Reid!